Okay, just a short video to show you what's growing in your marble tile floor. This is a mildew. This is growing. It is spreading. You can see there, we've just put our first step molecular chemical on it to treat it and kill it. I'm gonna move the refrigerator a little bit more, but there it is. You can see it plain as day under the UV black light, the special flashlight. All right, and then other parts of the kitchen, obviously I haven't serviced this part of the floor yet, aren't as bad except here near the dishwasher, which is to be expected as water drips down as they're unloading or loading the dishes. But yeah, it's everywhere. Look at it. Here it is here. And it's in the bathroom big time.